guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting my channel. Today I am bringing you my full home tour of my Christmas decor. It's my Christmas home tour. I have lots to show you, so without further ado, let's get on with it. So as we walk in, this is my front entry.
Got a lot on my mind since you walked out and said, Merry Christmas, babe, give me some time. Holidays are coming and there's no way around. Better join in the holiday crowd. While I'm struggling to find some peace of mind. Merry Christmas, babe, hope you're alright. When you're not here,
this tree is 9 feet tall.
It all seems like a waste. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. 6:15.
I will have a tutorial on how I made this arrangement.
Oh, holy night. Yeah, the streets might be full, but I'm empty inside. Merry Christmas, baby.
This is my mudroom for the daycare. So I have a Minnie Mouse wreath, and this is a powder room. Not a lot happening here. So I have a small Christmas tree, my frosted mason jars, and a plug-in, which I still need to add a plug-in.
And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around.
My formal living room.
In this part of town, I don't need anything. Yes, I got everything. I should be doing just fine, but there is still something. It is that one thing still missing you. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. Yeah, I need it in this part of town.
The lights on. Daycare playroom is there, and there's a little Jack Skellington wreath. This is a brand new Christmas tree that I purchased at Lowe's this year. That mousse tea towel came from Dollarama. I love it.
I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Last year I searched everywhere for this and finally found it. This red truck at Lowe's. I think there's a light on it.
As soon as you remove that snow, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this home tour. I would love to know which tree was your favorite, what was your favorite, and if there's anything you want to know where I got it from or what it is, let me know down in the comments. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. I do home tours every season and lots of DIYs, cooking, cleaning type of videos. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.
And family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.